Today, this one is called At the Market. Today's topic is gonna be imagination and how to direct it. When I come to a market like this, I like to just roam around, wander, and then just let it flow from there. Basically riding the wave when creating a dish. Good to see you.
You probably caught me eating a muffin. I saw you on camera. Oh man.
What's good right now? Right now I'm just trying to wander around and see what I can make a dish with.
Well, right now, all of the stone fruit is excellent. Apricots, donut peaches, white nectarine, yellow nectarine, white peach. The melons are good right now. I've got brand new cantaloupes, brand new watermelon.
The cantaloupes look good.
They're fantastic. Watermelon is excellent. I got local strawberries, only 9 boxes left. I'm about to run out. So we won't have a picking until Saturday. Berries are out of California. They're not local yet, but they're excellent.
That's delicious.
So yeah, there's a handful of items that are Robuton just.
I think this is gonna do it for me.
Matt, you're always a pleasure to wait on. Thank you very much.
Hi.
Matt, I was just thinking about you today.
No, you weren't. Don't lie.
I was.
I love you.
I'm going to make an sausawan for you,
I
okay?
love you so much.
For your isla.
This is my breakfast right now. I'm the luckiest guy in the world right now. This is amazing. I love you.
Love you too, Matt. Oh, the pickle. What do you guys want to do?
Why are you so amazing?
Matt, you're amazing. Not me.
This looks so good.
Well, it's just a typical like.
Fucking delicious.
Matt?
I hated it.
You open it up, you take the seeds out, and then you scrape it, right?
Uh-huh.
And then you put it in a pitcher,
Uh-huh.
and then you add ice, sugar syrup. You could do milk if you want, then just stir it up, put lots of ice in it, and just drink it.
Okay. I'm really enjoying this whole process of documenting what I do in the day. It's pretty cool to show you where I get all of my groceries and the products I use and the people that I meet.
What up, vlog? Come get some fish. No, I was.
Okay, here's what I'm thinking for this dish. I'm thinking I blister those, pickle this, turn this into a spring green garlic butter. This is a wild rose vinegar that Chef Rene Redzepi from Noma sent me. One of the best restaurants in the world. I can't wait to try this. Pouring in some of the vinegar, and then I'm gonna let this reduce down all the way until you see it just like this. This is what we're looking for right here. The greens get blanched in some boiling salted water. They get blanched until they're a bright green like this and also soft enough to blend. Now I shock this in some ice water. The reason for shocking it is to stop the cooking process and it remains a nice bright green. This part is called realization and disappointment. You're making a cooking video and you only have one stick of butter And you need more than 1 stick of butter because you're making a compound butter. It's currently 9:35. Have not had dinner yet, and I want to finish this video because I want to do this every single day, and I'm not going to stop myself from doing this every single day. So we're going to take another trip to the grocery store. Should probably plug it in first. What we have in here is the green garlic tops pureed, the bottoms cooked off with the vinegar, and then all of the softened butter with some salt. Just whipped up. Oh my gosh, not my $3,000 lens. Then we just whip it up until it looks like this right here. Green garlic butter. I can toss this in the freezer or hold it in the fridge. This right here is a quick pickle. Rice wine vinegar, water, maple syrup, salt, and espelette for some spice. Oh my God, that's a really good melon. Okay. Pickled muskmelon. Freaking yum. I'm so glad I did this today. Love you, vlog. I'll see you next. I'll see you tomorrow. Oh my God. I just ate a whole plate of peppers and I'm happy about it.